Alright, let us have a quick review on operation and fractions. Let's start with addition. So to add these two fractions, you may just cross multiply, like 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And then 2 times 4 is 8. Then add their products. 15 plus 8, that will be your numerator. So 15 plus 8 is 23. Over, for the denominator, you just have to multiply these two denominators, 4 and 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. That's it. So this is already your answer. You may actually write this in mixed form, and it will be 1 and 3 over 20. Okay, next, subtraction and fractions. So you will just do the same method as what we used here. You will cross multiply. So 3 and 5, that's 15. And 2 and 4, that's 8. But instead of adding them, we'll be subtracting them because we are talking about minus here. So 15 minus 8, that will be the numerator of your answer, which is 7. Over, for the denominator, we'll do the same. Just multiply the denominator, 4 and 5, so you'll get an answer of 20. So that's it. 7 over 20. Okay, let's proceed now with multiplication. In multiplying fractions, you may just multiply the numerator to another numerator and then denominator to denominator. So direct multiplication. 3 times 2, that is 6. Over 4 times 5, that is 20. So the 6 over 20 can be simplified. You may just divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2 because 2 is their GCF. So 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. And 20 divided by 2, that's 10. So we got 3 over 10. And lastly, for division, you may actually change it to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the second term. But that is similar with cross multiplying this. So 3 times 5, that will be your numerator, which is 15. Over 4 times 2, that will be your denominator. 4 times 2 is 8. So we got 15 over 8. Or we can write this in mixed form, which will be 1 and 7 over